Hi everyone, Daisy here with a quick face-to-face video describing the new series that I'm doing with Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. It is called Shop It or Stash It, and we are going to be doing, over a 2-month period, we are going to be creating 2 kits based on the same inspiration piece. So this time around we are doing a mood board from Studio Calico, and we decided to start with a stash kit. And so we each took the same inspiration, went into our stashes, found things that we thought would go well with the inspiration piece, and created a kit out of it. Now we are using a recipe, and we will share that online, I'm sure. But basically we are limited to 8 pieces of paper, I think 2 alphas, like 1 or 2 die cut packs, and a bonus item. And this is going to be the same recipe that we are using for our Shop It kit as well. So we are allowing some freebies, so it's kind of the basics like cardstock, stamps, ink, sequins, thread, you know, things like that, things that you don't necessarily have to buy for every single project you're doing, but that you would want included in your kit. And, you know, again, we aren't necessarily not gonna pull anything out of our stashes if we're like, oh, this would be perfect, you know, because even when you subscribe to a kit club, oftentimes you pull stuff in from your stash to kind of supplement that. So I'm sure we'll be doing some of that as well, but we are trying to work out of these kits and try to get some stuff used up. So for this time around, the second kit is going to be our Shop It kit. We're going to use the same inspiration piece and the same recipe. We're going to try to keep our kits to like $30 or around $30, and we can do our shopping wherever we do our shopping from. I'm sorry if you can hear my dog. She's like chomping on a bone over there and being a little obnoxious, but she's not barking, so that's, you know, good. But anyway, we are going to be, for our Shop It kits, we are going to be purchasing the same, 2 of the same paper. So Christy's picking a paper that she thinks goes with the inspiration piece, and then I'm picking a paper, and we're each going to buy those papers. And we kind of wanted to do how to, you know, not only how to create a kit, but also how, because our styles are so different, so you get to see how 2 people can pull together a kit and have them be completely different, yet based off the same inspiration. So I am also using this as a way to kind of limit my spending, because occasionally I do go on like spending sprees and I am guilty of buying like peachy cheap deals and things like that, and I'm hoping that this will help me kind of control that a little bit, because if I have new stuff, you know, my $30 worth of new stuff coming in, maybe I won't be so inclined to purchase all this other stuff. But yeah, so that's basically what it is. So this first time around in February we're doing the Stash It kit, and in March we're going to be doing our Shop It kit, and then we might take like a month off or a couple months off and then do another cycle of it, just to see how people are responding to it and everything. We are incredibly excited. So yesterday you would have seen our first stash kit, and I am actually, when this goes up, going to be at a crop. It's going to be my first crop ever, and that actually helped me pack for it because I brought my kit along, and then I brought a couple of collections because I'm kind of one of those scrappers that I never know what I'm going to be doing until I actually start working on it. So I wanted to have some options if I didn't want to work within my kit. But that really helped me narrow down like what I'm bringing, and so I didn't bring everything in my craft room with me. But yeah, so the other thing is we are going to have a surprise, and I'm not going to tell you what it is, But you are going to want to watch our videos for the Shop It and Stash It kit videos. We might not do videos for every single layout that we create with this kit, but there is going to be a surprise. So you definitely want to check out the videos. For each cycle, we are going to do a kit share and a kill a kit video, and then we might do 1 or 2 or 3 or 10 videos in between. We're not really putting any limits or anything on that, so you want to watch all the videos though, because there will be a surprise. Yeah, I think that's about it. So if you haven't already, you should head on over. Christy's also doing a face-to-face video to kind of explain what's going on. And so you definitely want to head over and check hers out. You want to go check out our kit shares. I'm really excited to see what Christy creates with hers. And if you want to play along, I mean, the more the merrier, right? We would be more than happy to have other people play along, and just tag us and let us see what your kits are and what your projects are with it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And yeah, I'm really, like, we have been planning this for a couple months now, and we're just so excited to get started with it and get things rolling. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye.